Okay, so good morning. Here we are having breakfast.
Tired.
Somebody's very tired. We've got pineapple pancake.
Yum.
Super yum. Fruit salad of pineapple and banana. 2 teas. And a pineapple pancake for me also. Today we're going to trek to a monkey forest and a waterfall with a guide. And then check out a local festival at 1. So we'll check in a little bit. Hello! Hello. Saying hello to all the little kids because they all speak English. Everyone can say hello.
Well, that's also because in Indonesian to say hello, it's halo. So
It's really similar.
it's the same, yeah.
But they teach it in schools.
They do,
they
yeah.
teach it all in school.
They do teach English in school here.
So we are walking to the Black Monkey Forest. Hopefully we'll get there before the rain sets in. It's looking a little cloudy.
Yeah. Oh, to anybody who watched CNN today, what is it, the 29th of September, 2016?
Yeah.
They're lying. 385 or 2?
Something like that.
380 something tourists did not die or go missing. They're coming back from the top of the volcano.
Yeah, we're staying near a
Chilling.
volcano, Mount Rinjani, that had a small smoke eruption, but they're making it look like it was a huge thing with a bunch of tourists that have gone missing. Totally not true. Everyone is accounted for.
Media uses attention getters like panic to really make us tune in.
It's the same with North Korea. They make it sound like an attack is imminent when South Koreans never really talk about North Korea at all.
There's tension, of course. I mean, they're divided, but it's never taken seriously, those threats.
Oh, look who we have here.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Mwah. Hello. Bye bye. Bye bye. Met some little friends. Too cute. But yeah, we're walking to the monkey forest and we will check in a little later.
You can make a really nice
Video.
picture,
Wow.
Are you taking a video, honey?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hi, Izzy. It's so pretty here.
Yeah.
Alright, so Izzy just broke open a macadamia nut. That's what it looks like inside. Pretty cool. The inside of a macadamia nut. Koya, how's it taste? We tried a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit different from the macadamia nuts back home. This one's a little bit bitter.
A little bit bitter.
Yeah, but it's pretty damn good.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
I tried it. It's a little bit bitter, in my opinion.
Try.
Try more?
That one's not bitter.
I want to try that.
Mm.
More sweet.
A little sweeter.
That's good.
Onward.
Alright, so we're walking here in the monkey forest and we've just spotted our first black monkey, courtesy of Easy the monkey whisperer. He's brought all of the monkeys to the yard. So we'll try, oh, they're up there in the tree.
Small place.
These black monkeys have really long tails. And these are only found in Indonesia, right?
In Lombok.
Only in Lombok?
Yes.
Wow.
When you see, you are very lucky, really.
Yeah.
Sometimes bring the gas coming.
Yeah.
Sometimes he can see.
Really?
Yes, very difficult to find.
Really?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Easy.
Welcome.
Today is our lucky day.
Today is our lucky day.
When he said to Amin, sometimes, oh, you lucky, he said to me,
Really?
Yeah.
So here we are walking to the waterfall. I mean, what is the name of the waterfall?
Air terjun.
Attribution. Okay. Very cool.
Indonesia.
Yeah, in Indonesian. Okay.
Air terjun.
Attribution.
Yeah.
And it is about 40 meters high, right? 40 meters tall?
Yeah.
Ah. Wow. That is amazing. And apparently you can get a really good massage at the bottom of it.
Good massage later.
Okay.
Traditional massage.
A traditional massage. All right, here we go. And we've made it.
So we have a second class one, but the second class one is more simple.
Yeah.
It doesn't have songket, just plain motif. That is for daily, everyday sarong.
So who has these?
Huh?
Who buys these? Everybody here
Local and tourists.
or local and tourists?
But this one is not only for sarong. Many people use it also like for tablecloth, sofa, or bed cover, blanket, wall decoration. Also nice for single window kitchen.
Okay.
So here we are at a traditional festival that we are a part of. Lindsay's wearing traditional Muslim stuff and basically we're the dancing foreign monkeys right now. Hi guys!
So we really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, be sure to hit subscribe so you can check out all of our adventures.
Hope to see you soon, guys. Bye.